Clear that?
Yep, clear it. Okay, you ready? Go.
Little fox. One day, little fox walked down the path. She walked far away from her home. She walked so far that she got lost. Then she met a cow. Hello, cow, she said. I walked too far away and now I am lost. Do you know where my home is? No, I said the cow. I stay in this barn. I do not know where your home is, so I cannot help you. Thank you anyway, said little fox as she walked on down the path. Little fox did not walk very far when she met a pig.
Okay, stop.
Okay,
Okay,
let's do a little writing.
hold on.